Children, do you like rhymes?
Yes, madam.
Shall we sing a rhyme?
Yes, madam.
Shall we sing good morning rhyme?
Yes, madam.
Okay. Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you?
How are you?
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
I am fine, thank you.
I am fine, thank you.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
How are you?
How are you?
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
I am fine, thank you.
I am fine, thank you.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Good evening.
How are you?
How are you?
Good evening.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Good evening.
I am fine, thank you.
I am fine, thank you.
Good night.
Good night.
Good night.
Good night.
How are you?
How are you?
Good night.
Good night.
Good night.
Good night.
I am fine, thank you.
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 Children, do you like this rhyme?
Yes, madam.
Okay.